So the good news is that you're going to recover from your concussion. Most people do it within 1 to 2 to 3 weeks. There are some people who have symptoms, but the good news there is also that if you see somebody who's uh, experienced at managing concussions and who's keeping up with the latest information, that doctor will help you identify why you're still symptomatic and give you a targeted treatment program to help you recover. And so don't worry if your symptoms are lasting longer than you think. See somebody who knows how to evaluate and treat concussions, and that physician or healthcare provider will design a specific plan for you to get you through your symptoms, back to school and back to sports. So the outlook for concussions is good, and it's getting better every year.